So it's really wow, look at this, guys. It's really amazing. It's really amazing. Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is MamaG, and for today's video, guys, we will do an update video about this Misseskisses bra. Okay, so here I got a new pads. I have the new collection of Misseskisses, which is the BioGel, and okay, so we will look inside. Okay, anyway, what is Misseskisses bra? If you haven't heard yet, guys, this is the one and only frontless, backless, and strapless bra. This is the best push-up bra ever that I've ever tried, guys. It will really make, look at this. It will really help you to put together your boobs and gives you a nice bigger boobs. Okay, so later on I will take out, guys, so you can see the difference. Okay, so now I am wearing the moderate plunge bra. Okay, so here, guys, this is the standard pads from Misseskisses. Okay, so before opening this one, I want to show you this one, guys. So here there is anti-slip silicone. Okay, so this one is not sticky at all, but if you put on your skin, it will stick and it will not move. Okay, so here, guys, I have a new one, and this one is water resistant. You can now wear your Misseskisses bra inside the swimming pool. Imagine. Before, actually, guys, I really just wanted to wear this one just to take some photo shoot, to make a perfect photo with a nice, you know, like when you wear your bikini, it's nice to have a nice shape boobs, right? Okay, so here, this is the new collection, and I will show you guys. We will do unboxing this one. Okay, so Misseskisses board. So this one, okay, so this one is the BioGel Misseskisses. Okay, so yeah, so sweat and water resistant pads. What's inside? One pair BioGel pads. Okay, finished. Wow. Okay, so this one, it's already stick. The silicone is already stick on the pads. Usually when you got your standard pads, you have to stick. You have to stick, but this one it's already stick, and you just have to take out this one. Okay, and then and two black silicone stickers. Okay, so this one is for water resistant. Okay, so if you're going to swim, you have to stick this one on your paddle. Okay, here. Okay, all right. Okay, so BioGel application. Remove the clear piece of film from the black stickers and place each sticker on the inside of each bra paddle. Then remove the remaining clear film to reveal the other sticky side of the sticker. Number 2, slip the pads over the top of the paddles at a 45-degree angle and remove the clear film on the inside of each pad. Be sure to save the clear film covers to protect and properly store, maintain, and stickers longevity, grip. Okay. Place the bra on one breast at a time. Okay, so that's it, guys. I want to wear this one, and I'm gonna show you guys on how to put it properly. Okay, if you guys asking me if this one is painful when you wear it, my answer, I can explain it in this way. It's like there is two hands pushing your boobs. That's it. Okay, so it's not painful. You know, it's not painful, it's not uncomfortable, it's very comfortable, guys, and it's very, really great bra ever, guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna take out this one, and yeah, I will put on my paddle. I am wearing the moderate, guys. The moderate is here. Okay, so it's good to wear a V deep neck, and yeah. So later on, I'm gonna wear my bikini and go to shower, and I will show you guys. I will put some water all over my chest, and we will see if how sticky is it. Okay, are you guys excited? I'm excited. Okay, so now, guys, I'm gonna take out my Misseskisses bra, so you guys can see the difference. Okay, so once it's adjusted, guys, adjusted properly, you don't have to adjust it every time you gonna wear it. Okay, so it's more easy after, guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna take out, and you will, guys, see the difference, the big difference. Look. So look at this. Okay, so you guys see the difference. This Misseskisses bra is a life-changing bra. Okay, so I'm gonna try this one first, guys. I need to take out the anti-slip silicone if I'm gonna wear the BioGel pads. Unless if I have to go to swim and I have to put this one on the paddle. Okay, because this one it's really sticky. So this is the Misseskisses bra, guys. Okay, there is a logo here. If there is no logo here, guys, that is not original. That is a knockoff bra. Okay, so you can see the quality of the Misseskisses is very good. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this one. Oh, yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna wear it, guys. Oh my god, it's really sticky. So now I'm wearing the BioGel pads and it's really sticky, you know, like, oh my god, it's too sticky. Very sticky. It's like the pads will not move, guys, on my boobs. Because this one, guys, okay, I'm just gonna show you. Okay, so this is the standard pads. So if you wear this one, there's a tendency that the pads can move. Okay. But this one, it will not move at all because it's really sticky, guys. So nice, it's good. So if you are a party people, guys, and you love to dance, like you don't want to stop dancing all the night and you are too sweat, this one is for you. Okay, so even you are sweat, it's okay, it will not move because it's really stick on my boobs, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna stick these black stickers on the paddles and I will go to the bathroom with my bikini and I will put some water all over my chest and we will see, guys, how sticky is it. Okay, so yeah, go. Look, guys, how this gel is stick on my skin. So I'm gonna take out the anti-slip silicone to replace with the black stickers. So this anti-slip silicone is not sticky but is stick on the skin, while the black sticker is very sticky. So now I'm gonna put the BioGel pads and I'm on the go. Now I am wearing my bikini. Okay, so it's really wow, look at this, guys. It's really amazing. It's really magic, guys. It's really incredible, you know. How can you make like this? Look at this. It's really like a real, you know, like, oh my god, it's really big and a nice shape. Wow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to the shower. Too bad. Okay, It's really sticky on my bones. Really, I'm gonna show you there. So as you can see, guys, I'm too wet. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. It's really stick and it really don't move, guys. Okay guys, so we got the answer. It's really a water resistant pad, wet and water resistant pads. So yeah, I highly recommend this bra, guys. If you have the money and you are just hesitating if it's really good or not, for me it's really good, guys. It's really great bra. I highly recommend this if you love to wear, you know, like V deep neck. Okay, so you love to wear frontless, backless, so this one is for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and thank you guys for watching. See you again in my next vlog. Bye.